Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are this new to the channel, then do press the subscribe button so that you get notification every time I post a new video about make money online, affiliate marketing as well as online business. So many of you may thinking that how can we make money online? Easy steps, just by reviewing something or saying giving your opinion on something. How is it, what is this pen, how is this pen, is it working properly? Just by giving your opinions you can make money online, and this is very easy and simple method, and it is 100% genuine legit way in which you can make money online. So let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is very valuable, it's very precious. So let's get over the content. So this is the website which I'm going to show you. Here you just have to test some of the things. Everything is given by this website. You just have to sign up over here and get paid to test. Okay, just when you click this, you are going on this website and you will start making money. Just test your websites and that's it. This is how it is done. So here you can see that I am recording my screen, and whatever I am saying about this, so you just have to do the same thing. Validity will give you the software. You just have to download the software and do whatever tasks they have given you, and you get paid $10 to $20 per task doing that. So that's very simple, that's very easy. You can see that Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Salesforce, Allstate, all those big companies are working with Validately. So you know it's a legit company and you know it will pay you money. So everything is done. You just have to grab on your headphone, plug it inside your computer, and then just get ready to just test and give your opinion. For example, if you are testing this website, I am testing this website Validately. I will be just scrolling over the screen and recording whatever experience. I would say that this is a blue color, this is a website make money online, everything is written here, it's all nice. This website has clean user interface and each and everything just like that. You just have to answer about whatever the website is and how it works. So just you have to test what its user interface is like, and that's it. You get paid a good amount of money for doing such things. And one another thing is that you get a task almost every day. Validately provides you with one task so that you may earn money from it. Okay, so everything is better here, and you can earn really a good amount of money from this, almost $200 to $300 a month, which would help you to pay your bills, some of the extra cash which you will have in your pocket. So if you are a mother who is at home, or if you are not at all working and want some easy way to make money online, then this is one of the things which you should try out, because it's 100% works and it's a legit platform which provides you with this opportunity. So this is one of the website. I'll be showing you another website which also helps you do the same thing. This is called Try My UI. All you have to do is just take out your computer, wear in your headphones, plug it in your computer, and then whatever task it is given, or whatever it's a really easy task. You just have to open a website and talk about it, give your opinion about that particular website or particular mobile application, whichever it is told. So that's it. You just have to test and then give in your opinions, and you will get paid for that. So here also you can earn up to $20 to $100 per task. So everything is there. You can sign up for both this website and you will receive tasks through email. So that's it. These two are the great website, because this is also a very famous website. It also works with big companies, for example Amazon, British Airways, Priceline, NBC, Bose. So all these big companies are working with Try My UI. And you can see here tutorials how you can record your each and everything, how you can test website. Everything is given over here, so there won't be any problem if you want to learn. And if you don't understand, then you can just check out these tutorials and you will get to know how to work for this website and how to get paid. You just need a PayPal account for this both of website to receive payments through this website. And if you don't get a test on Validately for one day, then you should sign up for both the website, so that you can get more tasks and you can complete more tasks per day and earn more money with both of this website. Though these are two genuine websites which I would like to recommend you, because these two websites genuinely work, and I myself have worked on Validately, so I know that this website really works and pays you money. So this is possible 100%. Just go and sign up for both of this, and you may receive tasks in a day or two, and just completing that task you will receive almost 20 to $100. So everything is possible. You can easily earn $300 per month by using these two websites, because you may get 10 to 20 tasks per month from both of this website. For example, Validately will give you 10 tasks a month, and Try My UI will give you almost 10 to 20 tasks a month. So if you complete all these tasks per month, then you will receive a good amount of money, which is almost $300 a month, which will help you pay your extra bills, or you can earn some extra pocket money for yourself. So doing this, so it is very easy and very simple to do. No rocket science is required to do this task. So just I definitely tell you, type in take action in the comment section and go and sign up for this website. So if you like the content in my YouTube channel, then do press the subscribe button, because I bring you new videos every single day about make money online, affiliate marketing, as well as how you can earn a good amount of money on online. Okay, so everything is there on my channel, and this is the channel. You can also check out other videos on my channel which provide you great amount of content, and new content is coming up. So subscribe and stay tuned. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, and just keep working on making money online. You will definitely earn a good amount of money.